What's going on YouTube? First and foremost, I want to thank everyone out there for their well wishes, their thoughts, their concerns about Ralph. We move on, and we're going to miss him dearly, all right? But it's time to start getting happy again, okay? So, again, thank you so much. Today, I didn't plan on doing a video at all, but this has been kind of on my mind for the last couple of weeks. I ordered this pocket knife, and it's receiving a lot of great reviews, and I'm like $24.95 on Amazon. It's called the GANZO, G-A-N-Z-O Firebird model F as in Frank, H as in Harry, 21. The Firebird FH21. And it comes in this little box here. Let's see. Little pouch. And I normally don't do pocket knife reviews. But I had to do this because the same day this arrived, my YETI arrived, and I'm like, oh, that's awesome. Every time we go to the beach at my sister's place, she has one of these up in her cabinet, this YETI Rambler, and I'm always the first one up, and I always steal it. So she sent me my own, and she couldn't have picked a better color. So they both arrived like the same day. Very similar, not exactly identical, but pretty darn close. All right, check out this knife. Check it out. By the way, the YETI's awesome. Just look at this. Look at how that you got the little you know, the finger jipping right there. It's got that nice spine. This is D2 steel for $24.95. These green G10 handles. This feels so awesome in my hand. The measurements are, here, let's do this together, ladies and gentlemen. They are 7 3/4 inch overall. Are we in there? 3.4 inch blade, 4.35 inch handle, G10 handle. As for the sharpness, I love using these cards. As for the sharpness, how about paper? Just regular old standard paper. Come on, come on. Let's go. There we go. Jesus. All right. Wicked sharp. Not a bad pocket knife. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say this is my first D2 steel pocket knife. I don't think I own another. I got a ton of pocket knives, and I normally don't do reviews on them. I like the bigger guys, you guys know that. But this is pretty cool. Now this company, GANZO, they have a series, many, and this is the one I had chose. And I don't know, just this one just really appealed to me. And I just wanted to share that with you. You know, not much to really talk about with a pocket knife. Again, it's just super sharp, and Feels awesome in hand. The way it's contoured, cut. You got a little clip on the back here, you know, for your jeans or whatever. I'd say a lanyard hole if you want to, you know, put a little, you know, string or rope or whatever, cord through there. But listen, I strongly, highly recommend this. This is an awesome, you know, D2 budget blade. Highly recommend, $24.95. And it's heat treated at 60 HRC. This particular knife has roughly 75-star reviews. And their other knives have also a ton of 4 or 5-star reviews. So, hey, can't go wrong. Save yourself some money. Invest in a GANZO. And I'm going to have fun. I just love how this just showed up, like literally the same day. I opened one package. I knew that was coming, but didn't know this was coming. You know, so, hey, maybe this green will help my Philadelphia Eagles. What a season they're having. My first place, 1-win Eagles, week 5. All right, everybody, stay safe as always, and I'll see you soon, all right? Cheers. Go Birds. Just a better close-up for everybody. I hope you didn't end the video. I guess you're going to call this bonus footage. Check out this beauty. It's a little dirty now because I just used it. I think it's beautiful. And I didn't really go over the flipping action here. So there you have it. Pretty neat, pretty neat. It's a new fan favorite. Alright, I hope you guys see this bonus footage here. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Yep. Made by GANZO. By, what's that? FB Knife? Pretty cool. Alright. See you soon, ladies and gentlemen.